This is probably the longest time I've ever woken up in a while after graduation. Like, I used to wake up every day at 5:30, but ever since graduation happened, from May 6 until May 16, I haven't slept for like, waking up in the morning and doing something productive, because I used to go to bed at like 2 a.m. and wake up at 10 a.m. So yeah, that's how messy my sleep schedule is. Lalaro na kami. We're go. Saan tayo pupunta? Dito, sa number 2. We have to go to number 2. Ang gulo ng vlog ko, basta yun. Number 2 is Azalea. There's white team. There's white team. Oh my gosh. Ay, may kotse. Now, nasa playground kami. Maghahanap kami ng gray flag. I'm gonna go with Ate kasi I don't know what to do.
You look underneath the chairs and everything, like the trash cans.
Sige.
Go na best.
Okay. So, basta sa playground area lang?
Yeah.
Okay. Sige. Oh my God, nadalas ako. Kasi may mga magandang ano. Okay. Let's find it. Let's find the gray flag. Ito ba yun? Mali mo sa loob. Hindi mo sure. Wala. Bye-bye. Alright, wala dito. Saan pa ba meron? I lost the flag. I don't know where it is.
Pak naman nito.
Now we're lost. Now we're gonna go to the main pool. Hanapin namin. Wala sa gazebo.
Dito ako maghahanap.
Mga katate. As in, pumunta na kami sa guard. Nagtanong kami. Wala rin silang nakita. Hindi ng tulong. Tapos yung pala nasa swimming pool.
Yung pala kinuha na pala ni ano, no? Kinuha na pala na naglilinis.
Grabe yun.
Hanapin ko yung maintenance. Hanapin ko yun.
Saan na yun? Where na yun?
Check mo CR.
Ay, sige. I'll check mo yung sayo. Sabi daw check ko na yung CR. Maybe it's here. Wala. Oh my God, mukha ko ewan. I keep looking down. Wala. This is like prop hunt. I'm looking at everything. Like, I'm looking at the trash cans. I'm looking at everything. There's nothing. Also, this might be a little bit weird. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to find the clue. I'm not showing you guys what I'm looking at the front. There's one of these shower rooms, but no gray flag. Okay, gotta find it now.
Nangitim na nga ako, one shade darker na nga.
Eh, may tawag na sunscreen, ba't di ka nagganon?
Nag-sunscreen ako, pero does it affect that real on me?
Whoa! We're literally looking around. Like, as in, oh, maybe here, sa door. Wala. Ayun nga, no? Ano ba, hindi naman mabukas to. Wait, stop vlogging kasi hindi ko mahanap. Check mo talaga dyan sa loob? Oh my God! Wala yan, for sure. Sabi na Apple Watch ko, working out. Ha?
Kung ano na lang yung makikita.
Oh, maganda yung pool. Ba't di ba tayo nag-swimming?
Sige na nga natin mag-ano.
Mauna na tayo.
Friendship.
Mauna na tayo. Ang ganda ka ng swimming pool.
Seriously, bababa ba tayo?
I mean, sizzling stay. Ayun, nandun yung red, oh.
Wait, sige, tingnan natin kung may nakuha na silang.
Ah, sige. Saan ba tayo bababa? Okay, so we're going down sa 12. So that's the sizzling station. May clue pa ba ate na pwede ka magbigay?
Sa baba lang.
Wala naman eh. Baba lang.
Inuuto mo lang kami ate. Charot. Now we're going down. Ito yung parang pa-beach area na.
Sa ground lang daw. So,
Paano ground? Ah, sa ground lang siya. Okay. So buti na lang makikita natin. Go guys! Go guys! May pwede kaya nila i-sabotage yung sa atin? Like kunin tas tago nila?
Pwede yun kasi inisip mo nga yun.
Ikaw gagawa tas sa karma ka. Sa atin pala nagawa.
hindi ko pa nga nagagawa eh.
Where is it?
Ah, may premyo ba to?
Bragging rights.
Isang libo kang mayabang. But I don't mind naman pala kasi wala naman pala ako.
Hello po.
Nakita niyo na yung sa ito. Para makita na nila Kuya Al yung kanila.
Yeah.
Yun o green?
Oh my God, banana boat.
Pwede ba yun yung green?
I think wala na dito.
Sizzling station te, 12.
Sizzling station yun.
Wait, saan po yung Whistling Station?
Tapos yung pa si
Hindi pala yan yun? Sabi ko sa'yo, Paul, hindi yan eh. Ano yung sura ng vlog? Kaya pala nakatingin yung mako. Sabi namin, gugupit nakatingin sila. Sabi ko, doon na sabi, ginawa niya, sabi niya, ito yun. Sabi, saan mo nakuha? Dito nakapatong, may nakatusok pa. Sure kaya yun? Oo. Oh my God! Excited pa tayo eh. Ah, excited! Tapos wala palang envelope. Pag nanakaw. Oh my God!
Should I get it?
Yeah.
Or you can do it.
So, andito lang pala, the whole entire time, nandito lang pala.
Nice. Let's do this. Ano? Si Bon!
Tara!
Kailan mo ba yung makapunta ito sa taas?
Ah, so nakatali siya.
Totoo na yan? Ibang plan pala.
Okay,
Sige.
I'm shaped like a stage with seats all around, where echoes of voices and footsteps resound. If shows or speechless are what you see, head to the spot where performers speak.
Yun, dun. Saan?
Performers speak?
Alam ni Kuya Jed.
May stage dyan eh.
Ay, akala ko.
So, nandun yung second clue.
Pero wala naman siya sa bilog. So ano yung clue doon? Baka yung flag na yun.
Where performers speak?
Performers ba? Kasi yun yung nakikita ko eh.
I-chat GPT ko to.
Kaya nga. Wala kami!
Nauna yung gray! Nauna yung gray!
Kaso nauna kayo ibaba.
Nag-tour kasi.
Ay! 10.5 points! Nauna sila.
Ano na makala?
Pangilan kami no?
Sa lahat?
Hindi kasi dapat dito yung next game. Kaso, ang tingin. Dito
Ah, okay.
So, ano? Kaming nauna sa lahat?
Hindi.
Blue and then...
Okay lang, basta wala, basta hindi.
Basta hindi red.
Ang galing mo sa inyo. Gosh. Go guys! Te, dyan ka na rin maglaba.
Bon! Ma'am! Bon, mainit nga lang. Bon.
Aka na ate.
Ano, saan ba?
Dito lang. Dito na lang para madali.
Kaya mo.
Dapat sa medyo malilim kasi mamamatay siya agad.
That's the castle we built. That was fun. Oh my god! Ewan ko! Bilis! Asan na? Hi. It's currently 4:30, so I think we went at the room at like 2 p.m. So I couldn't vlog. I think the last time I vlogged was we were running. So our team Gray won 3rd place overall. Then after that we went to the to our rooms, and then we literally just rested. And I slept for 1 hour, and now we're gonna go swimming now, which I'm actually all alone the hotel room right now. You guys can see. Shana. So yeah, there's my stuff, and there's the stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the pool. I'm all fully okay now because my head was starting to hurt earlier. So yeah, and my hair is a mess. So yeah, okay. I'll see you guys. I like mirror shots. Okay, let's go ahead and take this, and it should all magically disappear. I don't know how my parents did it, but it told me to just take this thing. Hopefully I'm doing it correctly. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, it's so dark. Okay, I'll see you guys.